Cold hands, white noise, shadows in my room, ceiling starts to move. Am I awake too soon? And